Streamlining infrastructure deployment and automated security with Terraform and AWS Systems Manager. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Introduction: Implementing EC2 instances with Terraform and automated security agent installation. In today's cloud-driven world, automating infrastructure deployment and security processes is essential for maintaining efficiency, scalability, and security. Terraform, an infrastructure as code (IAC) tool combined with AWS Systems Manager, provides a robust solution for automating the provisioning of EC2 instances and the installation of security agents. This podcast will walk you through creating and managing EC2 instances using Terraform, configuring AWS Systems Manager for automated management, and ensuring security compliance by automatically installing necessary security agents. Terraform configuration: creating AWS resources with infrastructure as code. Terraform allows you to define and provision AWS resources through code, enabling consistent and repeatable deployments. First, create a Terraform configuration file with the necessary AWS provider information, VPC setup, security groups, and EC2 instance definitions. Here's a simplified example. Provider AWS. Region equals US West 2. Resource AWS _ VPC main. CIDR _ block equals 10.0.0.016. Resource AWS _ subnet public. VPC _ IE equals AWS _ VPC.main.id. CIDR _ block equals 10.0.1.024. Availability _zone equals US West 2A. Resource AWS _ security _ group allow _SSH. VPC _ IE equals AWS _ VPC.main.id. Ingress from _port equals 22 to _port equals 22. Protocol equals TCP. CIDR _ blocks equals 0.0.0.0.0. Resource AWS _ instance web. AMI equals AMI 0 C55 B159 CBFAF 1F0. Instance _ type equals T2.micro. Subnet _ ID equals AWS _ subnet.public.id. Security _ groups equals AWS _ security _ group.allow _ SSH.name. This configuration sets up a VPC, a subnet, a security group to allow SSH access, and an EC2 instance. Once this is defined, running Terraform Apply will create these resources in your AWS account. Systems Manager Setup: enabling automated management of EC2 instances. AWS Systems Manager, SSM, is a powerful tool that simplifies the management and operation of your AWS resources. To enable automated management, you must attach an IAM role with the appropriate permissions to your EC2 instances. This IAM role allows SSM to communicate with the cases. Resource AWS _ IAM _ role SSM _ role. Name equals SSM role. Assume _ role _ policy equals JSON encode. Version equals October 17, 2012. Statement equals. Action equals STS assume role. Effect equals allow. Principal equals. Service equals a2.amazonnas.com. Resource AWS _ IAM _ role _ policy _ attachment SSM _ policy. Role equals AWS _ IAM _ role.ssm _ role.name. Policy_ARN equals ARN. AWS, AWS, policy/Amazon's managed instance core. Resource AWS_instance web. AMI equals AMI 0 C55B 159 CBFF 1F0. Instance_type equals T2.micro. Subnet_ID equals AWS_subnet.public.id. Security_groups equals AWL_security_group.allow_SSH.name IAM_instance_profile equals AWS_IAM_instance_profile.SSM_role.name. Associate_public_IP_address equals true. Notification configuration. Integrating Amazon SNS for process status updates. Integrating Amazon Simple Notification Service, SNS, allows you to receive updates on the status of your Terraform operations, especially when automating security agent installations. Terraform can trigger SNS notifications when the infrastructure deployment is complete or the security agent installation process begins or ends. Resource AWS_SNS_topic security_agent_installation. Name equals security agent installation topic. Resource AWS_SNS_topic_subscription notify_me. Topic_ARN equals AWS_SNS_topic.security_agent_installation.ARN. Protocol equals email. Endpoint equals yourmail@example.com. Run command execution, automating security agent installation on EC2 instances. Once your EC2 instances are up and running, you can automate the installation of security agents using AWS Systems Manager run command. This feature allows you to execute scripts or commands on your EC2 instances without requiring SSH access. Resource AWS_SSM_document install_security_agent. Name equals install security agent. Document_type equals command. Content equals JSON encode. Schema version equals 2.2. Description equals install security agent. Main steps equals. Action equals AWS. Run shell script. Name equals install security agent. Inputs equals. Run command equals. Sudo yum install y security agent. Resource AWS_SSM_association security_agent_install. Name equals AWS_SSM_document.install_security_agent.name. Instance_ID equals AWS_instance.web.id. Targets equals. Key equals instance IDs. Values equals AWS_instance.web.id. Verification and resource removal, confirming successful installation and tearing down the infrastructure. After completing the infrastructure and security agent installation processes, you should verify that the agent was successfully installed. You can do this by checking the EC2 instances logs or querying the status via AWS Systems Manager. Finally, when the deployment is no longer needed, you can tear down the infrastructure with the simple Terraform destroy command. This command will remove all the AWS resources Terraform provisioned, ensuring a clean and cost-effective environment. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.